Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
And you'd be amazed. A lot of them are like, you would see them, be like, oh, these guys are kind of like
encounters. I guess that does make sense, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. And also, the amount of information that you have to acquire to be really good is extraordinary. It's one of those things that on the outside you look at it and you go, oh,
whoa, go!
Just choking each other, and then you actually learn the thing itself. You're like, no, it's incredibly intricate and detailed, and it's all about leverage and positioning, and it's a language. It's like a language of, it's like you're having a conversation. It's like you're exchanging words. You're exchanging, but instead of words, you're exchanging movements and concepts and the ideas about getting to checkmate. And that's what Hickson Gracie was, one of the greatest of all time.
Come on, dude. Christ. Yeah, hurry up. What are you doing? Go, come on. Jesus Christ. Like, yeah, let me just stop in the middle of the road.
Where trouble disappears, say you'll always be right here.
Morning, Officer Michael, Tucson Police. Got your license, registration, and insurance?
Yep. Oh, insurance. I have to get that on my phone.
Everything okay this morning?
Yeah, just chilling.
All right. Well, between Campbell and Country Club, you were doing 55. The speed limit's 40.
Well,
And between Country Club and here, you were doing under speed limit, like 30, 35, and you kept driving up against the lane divider. So.
I'm pretty sure that was not me, because I was going 35. I know the car that passed me going that way was going 55, because I had my cruise control set for 42.
No, I looked right at your vehicle and then used my laser gun, squeezed the trigger.
It was that. There was no way it was me, because I was going 42.
All right. Well, I looked at this vehicle. I could see both of you in it as you went through the intersection of Campbell and Fort Lowell. But all right.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that it had to have been that other vehicle.
I don't know anybody that sets their vehicle at 42, but that's fine too. You would still be setting it at speeding at that point.
Yeah.
So the speed limit's 35 at night and 40 during the day. So
if
you want to admit to a police officer that you're actually doing something, maybe you want to admit that you're doing something right.
Well, I usually go 40 on this anyway.
Here's a better idea. Instead of digging yourself a deeper hole by lying to a police officer, how about you just give me your license registration? Never said you're getting a ticket. I just stopped to talk to you about your bad driving this morning. How about the fact that you hit the lane divider a couple of different times back there?
That was not me. I did not hit any lane divider.
All right. I'll give you time to find the insurance.
All right, I don't play this bullshit.
What are you doing, dipshit?
Was flying under the Jaxon. When they got to the airport, they realized that it was Tanya Nelson, her oldest daughter, traveling under the name of Tanya Nelson traveling.
Woohoo, man!
sucks. What else was it? Oh.
Fucking shit, man. Fucking idiot.